Good morning, everybody. Jim here with Totally Relaxed. I just want to show y'all something else I'm doing this morning. What you're looking at is my GoPro mounted to my adapter that I have for my HoHem motorized gimbal, that I could use my GoPro on the HoHem. But I took the adapter and strapped my GoPro onto it, and I'm now in a car using it with just a regular suction cup iPhone holder. And if that makes any sense to you, I'll give you a picture of it here right quick so you'll see what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'm fixing to take a test drive to the grocery store and see how this works out as far as stabilization and all that, riding on the windshield. I've also got my external microphone plugged in, so hopefully everything will work fine. Have a great day. Just want to show that to you. Talk later. Bye.